Hi friends, this video shows how to delete Home from Google Home app. Let me open this Google Home app, tap on this icon. Then tap on this icon on top right corner. Go to Home Settings, tap here. And here you can see the Home 1. I am going to delete this Home 1. Go down. Here you can see delete this Home. Tap here. Tap on delete Home. See, Home deleted. So this way we can delete Home from Google Home app. Let me again go to this icon, tap here. Go to Home Settings. See, it shows Home is empty. Let me go back. If you want to create a new home, you can tap on create home. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.